Kani ka thuk khubor menta ka chan min shwaban pha shiki khubor ki babnya ini pechwa ya ki mat bakongsan Manager ka Kenhun Menteri Bantung ya Chief Secretary Barim Gajala uba PS Thankyo kum Chairman Mathamai jongka Farmers Commission Ka search committee kan Aijingmud iki kerteng sha ka sarkar jala Bantung ya ni ka chairperson Mathamai jongka Lukayukta Lai tali kita nak ti doyong ki bala pendan kam ya kecing ti dah kabut start sayan ke bathamai pentib menteri rang ba gajala u Konrad ke sangma La itu ya kecaka nak benta bantai ya ke Veterinary Hospital ha apa Shillong ong menteri ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEC Bat anyalam menteri rangba ya kekenhun ki he ki han ban net cha Japan na kabenta ban pen klan ya gejing atreilang ha pedeng ki arliang mamya Ki khubor ki babnia ka kenhun menteri ke jala hene ka sni kala shim ya ki katto ka ne tali ki rai kenthop ya gejing thung ya u chairman bathamai na kabenta ka Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission haba pen pau hakilat pathai khubor hadian balawai ke cingalang ka kenhun menteri u menteri rangba gajala u Konrad ke sangma ula ong ba ka kenhun menteri kala manager bantung ya u chief secretary barim gajala u ba PS Thankyo kum u chairman bathamai jongka Farmers Commission shu la shim ya karai ban itu no ya ka KHASI kum ka ktien penyaso jangka district Thamai ka Eastern West KHASI Hills ka kenhun menteri kala shimru ya karai ban penbet Thamai ya ka bai shong darbar ya ki dekhot jangka search committee
Thank you former chief secretary and he will be appointed and the cabinet today has approved his appointment and his name for the post of chairman of the Meghalaya Farmers Empowerment Commission.
Hakajuk kapor menteri rangba ula pentib baka search committee kan khot yaki application kan penlong yaki jingwat benya bat nangta kan ajing mod yaki kerteng sha ka sarkar na ka benta bantung ya un lani ka chairperson bathamai jongka Lukayukta ula pentib bala khmi lenti baka committee kan sa IT yaki kerteng hapo laipo hadu saupusan sngi u officer IAS bala shongthaj uba Peter Dakhar udai u chairman jongka ni ka search committee ka baken thop yaki khot na ki benta ba pher jangka emlang salang kenthop ya uwei u district judge ubala shong thaj bat ki wei ki riu shimen
We have formed a search committee which will now suggest names after they invite different people to apply as well as they will also do a search process and they will submit the names to us. We have requested them to do it at the earliest. So today's decision is not that. Today's decision is just to increase their sitting allowance from 2,500 to 5,000. We expect the names to be given very, very soon. Hopefully, we had requested them to do it within 30 days to 45 days.
Menteri rangba gajala u Konrad ke sangma ulapen benaru ba lai tali kitanat ti doyong kilayo ya kecing manager bapura ban trekam bat kiladep ban sedang ban ti doyong da ka pendan kam ya ki buj start sayan ka bathamai ulapen tip shu ba ki ofisa na katanat doyong jong ka sarkar pedeng kilalet ngo bat penpau ya kecing sngau kemen halor kecing trekam gajala kadang ya chaprang hakani ka benta ulaban benrap bakat kum ka cing penbana bathamai sa khatwe ngut ki ti kidang don halenti banyo chingbet ban sedang ya kikam kibabuan na kini kinong ti kidai na kithan Giant Hills but West KHASI Hills.
Mining of the coal has started in a scientific manner, and as I mentioned to you, Coal India has come and seen it and they're satisfied with the the Coal Ministry has come in and seen it and they're satisfied with the work, where the work is going, and we are moving forward. I don't have the exact numbers with me on the exact position, but as far as the latest information is that about 11 more mines are just on the verge of getting the mining opening permission. But I don't know the exact status of that, but matter of maybe a month or 2 months, we will be able to see another 10 to 11 mines or miners getting permission to start the scientific mining.
Menteri Ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALHEG henega sngi ulayathu baka sorkar kala itu ia gejaka bantai ya ka veterinary hospital ha operational kani gejaka bathamai kan aijing sumar ka babnia yaki marat baper kumba ka long menta kanong ba kadon ya gejaka sumar marat ka baret ka ba ai tang ya gijing shakri OPD ya ka benta beningkong jong kani ka hospital entei ha gijing lut ka ba life ar keluar tingka uba hek ula ong ba gijing tre ya ka tai ka project kan sedang watla ula kantai ya gijing keno ba kadon gijing duna doktor bat gijing duna dawai ha ka veterinary dispensary ka baladon lepa ha lumding jiri.
I don't believe that anybody is going there at the directorate where we have the not exactly the hospital, but we have a kind of dispensary where we been taking care for all the animals, not all the animals, but at least for the pets animals. So they've been taking care there. I have not received any complaint from anyone also. They are complaining that they do not have this. Maybe from other dispensary or other clinic, I cannot say other district. But here in the directorate, I have not received any complaints so far.
Menteri Rangba Gejala Ukonrat Ke Sangma ulapan pau ya kecingkemen halor ka result SSLC menta usnam balapan bena da ka embus da ka bapan pau ya kecingkiu ha kecingdan ki samla puli ki bapas habayan ucor bat ki snam baladem ha kecingkeli halor kecingtmu jong ka CM impact u sangma ulaong bawatla ka sarkar ka penbiang ya kila jingarap dei kecing persyang jong ki samla puli ki bla treshitom ula ai khubleiru ikitu ki bla poi syakathong ha kecing puli bat ula ai mensim ikitu ki bom syam lapoi da ka bakan tu yaki bakin yaya kun bankin cho syaka jingjam.
Among all the results in terms of the overall response and the outcomes that I have seen in the last 7 to 8 years, this may be one of the most satisfying and happy moments for me in terms of seeing the kind of results that have come. At the end of the day, we have to realize that no matter what booklets we provide, no matter what questions we give, it is ultimately the students who have to work hard.
Hakaway pat kalyang uba hek hen negasngi ula ong ba ka BJP kadon kam ban penyeng daki kertong ki babyang na kabenta ban job ya ki election ha kani gejela ula kren ya kani na mar ba kaseng kam shamlala ban job ha kanu ke election ha po gejela la kalong ha ki election MLA ni MDC uba hek ula pen pau byang ba kaseng ka trei ha barok kawai da ka ba benrap ba ka rai menta ka syong ha ki pait ba kumnu ki yo I ya gejing kermen jong kaseng ha gejela.
BJP is not working only during the election. BJP is working day one and day 24/7 to strengthen the party organization not only in the state of Meghalaya but the whole country. So this is the only political party that I have seen they are working continuously to ensure that the party is growing from time to time. See, but convince people is like this. Now you see the other state, people are voting for the party-based politics. But Meghalaya, we have to find out the good candidate because here, most of the time people depend on the personnel of the candidate, the individual of the candidate. Not, of course, a party also there, but most of the time is the person.
Ka kenhun ki hai na Meghalaya kabala kli da menteri rangba gejala ukonrat sangma katmu banlet sha Japan hadian kecing sha khot ngobha na ka sarkar Japan kani kecing let jingo katmu ban pen klan ye kecing ya treilang hapdeng ki arliang mamla hakeleng ki benta ba kongsan kenthop ye ki kam shnadur bat ka kolshor ka kam jingo kai perthai ka rep karyang ki jingthan chan bat ki wei u menteri ketenat jungo kai uba polling do habaya sam ye jing tep babnia halor kani ke jinglet ula ong kani ke jinglet kan thop ye ke jing kren bat ki nong shimta ba pher
take place and our major points of focus will be arts and culture, tourism, agriculture, textiles, and also the exchange of visits by different ministries of Japan to Meghalaya and vice versa. So the idea being that we would like to further push forward our interaction between the state of Meghalaya and Japan as a country, and also to draw inspiration from a country that has done so well and survived through its sheer power of overcoming challenges throughout the ages.
Yaka Asian India Artist Cam kabalai lapen kut no hasilong da ka jing rakhi ka ba itanat ha ka ba ya dei bat ka jing penwandur bat ka jing ya dei ha ka kolshor ka ba pen scam ya ka jing ya dei ka bala slam jong ka India bat kiri jong ka Asian ya ka ni lapen long da ka tanat kam bari ha ka jing ya trei lang bat ka seher ha ka ni ka kam ka ba shiposngi lapen I ya ki ar phwengut ki nong drodur nai ki dekhot jong ka Asian ka Timor Leste bat ka India ki bala ya wan lang ban thau ya ki dur bala pen shong nong rim na ka pateng baya samlang bat gajing day jong ka imlang salang.
ASEAN are based on shared values and common aspirations. For India, ASEAN is a cornerstone of India's Act East policy and our Indo-Pacific vision. We are committed to further strengthening the ASEAN-India comprehensive strategic partnership. India firmly supports ASEAN unity and ASEAN centrality.
At the last program in Delhi, where Meghalaya also got its GI tag for our Florida and the area. And hopefully you will join us in the month of June for the inauguration of our mega textiles hub in the Rupkoi district.
Ka Sorgar Jala Kalamang Khatsan Klortingka Nakabenta ka Chingseng ya ka Indigenous Cultural Center kaban Sabu Hasilong. U Menteri Rangba ka Jala Ukonrat Sangma ulapen bena ya kani henen kasngi ha kasngi penkut jong ka tamasa shat suk mensiam jong ka seng khasi sengkumi. U Sangma ula ong ba ya umau nongrim an Sabu ha ubenai jemang menta usnam namar ba ubenai ya yong umdai ubenai ubabyang nakabenta ki khasi.
We have always stated that the cultural aspect of our traditions needs to be preserved and needs to be promoted, and it is in line with that thought process that we are having the Indigenous Cultural Center. Approximately about 15 crores has been sanctioned for it, and by next month we should be laying the foundation. We thought we'll late this month itself, but as we all know that April is not a very auspicious month, and so we'll be doing it in the month of May. But we're very happy. It's been a long pending demand from our community of the KHASI to have this cultural center, and I'm happy that finally we're able to do this.
Ka Geological Survey of India GSI Northeastern Region Kalapenlong Yaka Workshop Halor Kapang Hand Holding of Northeastern States on Auctioning of Mineral Blocks Ha State Convention Center Shillong Kum Shibanta Jongkani Kaching Tmu Ka GSI Kan Pentrekam Yakirukom Ai Ching Maham Lapa Halor Kaching Tua Khandau Ha Kachala La Pentrekam Lapa Ha Kelengki District Jongkari Bat Lashna Yakani Kakor Banwanra Kaching Shngan Yakipat Ba Ha Kijaka Bala Banchia Kaching Tua Khandau Kam Tam Ha Kapur Slum.
And we have made it operational in many districts of the country, and very soon we will be doing it for Meghalaya as well. So we are also doing many landslide studies in this part of the country, northeast, and both in Meghalaya, Mizoram and other parts. And very soon we will be starting giving landslide warning also to people during the monsoon season, when mostly the landslides occur.
Kahinyautrap Youth Council Nongstoin Circle Henekasngi Kalalet Yakandu Yaka District Medical and Health Officer Jongka West KHASI Hills Hadian Gajing Ujor Hakabayade Bat Gajing Keno Le Torti Ki Doctor Hagajing Sumar Yakawe Kalongkami Kabadang Shukha Klung Dangshan Hanongstoin Civil Hospital Halor Kani Ka DMNHO Kala Pentikna Yaka HYC Bayakani Kakam Ansashim Kia Bat Ansale Mardor
Kidon ki kendrum lah belum lah. Kalau beda buat ani apa sudah nostoi. Hantam kalau beda bekerja sumar ya kini kita wanka kakul. Penting di doktor Labelong bakim dah hikai bah, kim dah batai bah, iaitu kim nawan kha, bakin le akan bakin le, bakin sumar bah irajong.
Mentangin pet ya kecing long jing man kasun beneng hatura kecing kreat kalong arpoa degree Celsius bat kecing shit kalong liposan degree Celsius kecing sngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong lipo nyau na kashispa haba phai pat shanong ba shilong kecing kreat kalong khat saw point khandai degree Celsius bat kecing shit kalong arpo saw point henriu degree Celsius kecing sngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong sanpholai na kashispa kecing hap slap kalong iway point henriu millimeter kat bah jawai kecing kreat kalong khat henriu degree Celsius bat kecing shet kalong arpo saw degree Celsius kecing sngam ka hau menta kasngi kalong sanpoh nyau na kashispa kasun beneng hatura jawai bat shalong kala bandan kecing hap slap ba malumala hakikat tu kat ni kicaka Shuaban poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khubor ngini pet biang sa shisin yakimat bakongsan Menjur ka Kenhun Menteri Bantung ya Chief Secretary Barim Gejala uba PS Thank you kum Chairman Batamai Jangka Farmers Commission. Ka Search Committee kan Aijingmut yaki kerteng Shaka Sorgar Jala Bantung ya ni ka Chairperson Batamai Jangka Luka Yukta. Lai tadi kita nak ti dawyong ki bala pendan kam ya kecing ti da kebuj start sayan ke batmai tentib menteri rang ba gejala ukon rat sangma. La itu ia kejaka na kabenta bantai ya ka Veterinary Hospital ha apa shilong ong menteri ketenat Animal Husbandry and Veterinary uba ALH. Bat anyalam menteri rangba ya ke Kenhun ki he ki han ban net Japan na kabenta ban pen klan ya gejinga trailang hapdeng ki arliang mamla. Te parlok tungila poi sha ka bakut jong ka thup khobor jingi menta ka janmet hadu bangin dai shembyang bat phila shai ka si kublai phi baro.
जिसके समय आपको एक बार उन सबको बुला करके
हाँ जी सर
आपकी सारी चीज दिखाई और उनको धन्यवाद कीजिए।
आपके सामने एक बहुत छोटे शहर रायबरेली की महिला व्यापारी खड़ी है जो इस बात का प्रमाण है कि आपके सहयोग और समर्थन से जितना फायदा एमएसएमईज को हो रहा है और मतलब मेरे लिए बहुत ही भावनात्मक समय है यहाँ पे आना और हम आपसे वादा करते हैं कि हम भारत को विकसित भारत मिलकर बनाएंगे। जिस तरीके का आप सहयोग और बिल्कुल बच्चों की तरीके ट्रीट कर रहे हैं आप एमएसएमईज को, चाहे हमें